And hello, comic book fans. It is Friday night. I am continuing with my new format. Sorry about the light in the background. It is the 21st of June, the longest day of the year. So the sun is pretty much coming right in through my balcony. Um, so it's kind of weird. I'd have to wait until midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning to do these reviews before the sun is out of the thing. So I'm going to have to deal with it. So my new review pattern now is to do the two favorite comics for the week and then the one that I'm most disappointed with and do them separately. And let me tell you what I think afterwards. Talk to you later. And here I am for the bad one for this week. Alright. This is going to be weird. By the time you get done watching all of these, if you watch all of them, you'll notice a trend in this. But I'll leave that for you to figure it out. The bad one for this week, like I said, Batman Universe. I had hopes for this. I had good hopes for this when it first came out. The first two were halfway decent. Then it came to this one. And I don't know if it's because I actually noticed that it was by Bendis. I don't know. But the story just seemed out of place. The character seemed a little disjointed. The art wasn't good. You have Batman acting in a way that doesn't seem normal for Batman. And it just... I don't know. It kind of started out strong, but then just kind of with each issue, and to the point where this is probably going to be my last issue, just because it was distracting. You have Batman and Hal Jordan set back in time to the Old West to deal with Jonah Hex. It does it deals with the story. It makes sense in the story somewhat, but there's no real good explanation as to why they're sent back. They don't understand why. And then halfway through, Hal Jordan gets sent, I'm assuming back in time, but his only explanation for this, right before it happens, is, gee, my ring has never acted like this before, and then it disappears. I mean, this just doesn't... It's... I don't know, I don't want to say plot armor, or because it needs to happen, it's exciting, I don't know. But I just don't think this was a very well-written story, or a very interesting storyline. And I don't know. I'm not gonna... I really don't want to pick up what I'm assuming is going to be the last issue of this story arc for number 5. Because this one left me so disappointed and uninterested. And it's hard for me to believe that I think I liked this one possibly even less than I liked the main run of Batman with Tom King, which says something. So I'm going to give this, a boring story, not all that good at art. I'm going to give this a 1.25 out of 5 and recommend not picking this series up if you haven't already. And if you have, maybe you're going to be like me and not get it anymore. But anyway, comment below on whether you agree with me or not.